Hey guys, Chris here with 4x4 Rides, back with another awesome 100 series that we are going to be auctioning off on bringatrailer.com. Super excited about this truck. She turned out fantastic, looks absolutely incredible. We went ahead and we put a lot of money into this one in preparation for the sale, probably close to $10,000 now in upgrades. So I think we have about 9,000 something just in upgrades alone. So we went ahead and we did all the maintenance, brand new timing belt, new metal heater tees, new brakes, new rotors, new oil, all the maintenance items, bushings, sway bar links, you name it, it's in the description. We also went ahead and did a off-road, like overland, you could say phase one. We did the lift and wheels and tires. So it's got brand new black Rhino off-road wheels. They look absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain AT4W tires, 285, 75, 17, and a brand new 2-inch Dobinson lift kit. This one comes in the Blizzard Pearl. They actually make this color in the Land Cruiser as well. Beautiful color. Looks really nice, especially now with the new wheels and lift kit. She sits really tall and ready for the trails. You want to take this on the trail, she's ready to go for the next owner. We also put a really nice battery in it. It's a Honda Odyssey. Not Honda. Odyssey Performance. It's almost $500 battery, red top, really nice. Pretty much the best battery you can get. And wow. Looks absolutely amazing. This one's got a real clean frame. Also comes with the third row jump seats. Paint's in beautiful shape. Beautiful tan interior. Third row jump seats. Still have the little covers that cover these pieces. A lot of times those get lost, but last owner really took care of this truck. All right, guys, the link for the auction will be in the description of the video. 2005 LH470 off-road build. We'll be auctioning it off on bringatrailer.com. Stay tuned for the listing. Thanks for watching.